we actually have a lot of constraints in Africa. But balancing innovation with the realities we face in Africa, I think starts with being honest with our environment. We operate obviously in infrastructure gaps, limited resources, unpredictable connectivity. But I think this doesn't mean that we avoid innovation. I think it simply means that we must innovate differently. So for me, the balance comes from three things. The first thing is start with solutions that are practicable and scalable. In Africa, we don't need the most expensive technology. I don't believe in that to make any meaningful progress. But I think sometimes the win is probably in simplifying processes. For example, for all of us who are in aviation, I think the second thing is build partnerships. I believe that in Africa, collaboration is a form of infrastructure. When we share knowledge and pool resources, I believe we close gaps much faster than we could alone. And thirdly, I think we need to stay grounded in purpose. Innovation, I believe, must solve real problems, and we must be clear about the problem that we are trying to solve. This makes it easier to filter out what is unrealistic and focus on what will work today and still move the industry forward. So I believe that is how I would approach that particular question.